Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian. Today is Monday. It is the day after the breakout. And so Bitcoin is currently 27,784 right about here. And you can see that our diagonal line, this white diagonal line, is the line of the resistance that was broken. And you can see these red dots here showing that Bitcoin price was overheated and we ran into excessive RSI reading. That RSI was above 75. So now we're taking a correction and we're pulling back into that area of the green cloud here where this is typically support. Now price, in my opinion, needs to stay above that 27,500 level, which is right about here, and that's your breakout point on the diagonal resistance. These two yellow lines show previous highs according to price, previous price action. This is very important for the price to stay above the, I would say, the last previous high, which is 27,454. I would say 27,500 is the price where Bitcoin needs to stay above. Now, the price right now is testing a Fibonacci level, and that Fibonacci level is exactly lining up with that other yellow line, which is the previous high. So if Bitcoin comes down right above 27,500 into this pocket to retest this area, that is normal. Nothing to be concerned about. But if we do break back down below 27,500 back into this wedge that we broke out of earlier, then that would be a concern. That would tell me that price action is, weak, and we could be coming back into this breakout wedge. That being said, you can see that the market is actually pulling back with Bitcoin as well. And I've said this in prior presentations. You never want to chase pumps, and whenever Bitcoin is pulling back, the altcoins will actually pull back to a greater extent. Okay, whenever Bitcoin is going up and altcoins are going up, altcoins outperform Bitcoin to the upside in profitability, but the altcoins also outperform Bitcoin in losses when there's a correction in the market. So you can see there are a few exceptions. RLB up 14%, XEC up 8%, BCH 5%, BSV 20%. But the greater market is in red. Okay, SUI down 4.6%, HEX down 5%, TOMI down 4.6%, FSX 6.4%, Injection Protocol 3.8%, Algo 3%, Link 4%, Maker 6.8%, Ape is down 5.5%. However, when we do look at the market as a whole, you can see here on the 7 days we're seeing a lot of green on the 7 days. Bitcoin's up 5.6% for the 7-day period, the week. Ethereum up 4.5% for the week. And here's a big one, Solana up 19.9% for the week. So you can see that we just had a bullish push to the upside, a rally. And so now price is coming back down and resting. So that being said, if you feel like you have missed out, then as far as Bitcoin goes, your opportunity for entry is now here. In my opinion, between now, where the price is now, and 27,500, this is an area where entering here would typically be the safest if price is going to continue going higher above this breakout. So that being said, this would be your entry point, period of entry time for Bitcoin. Now that's going to be different on the altcoin charts. Every chart is different, and we'll take a look at some of those altcoins in other videos. But as far as Bitcoin goes, if Bitcoin find support here, then this is going to be your opportunity for entry. And then, of course, expecting prices to go much higher. That being said, RSI is 61, so we are still showing strength, bullish strength. EMA trend is bullish. Again, this is the 4-hour chart. DMA trend still bullish, and the expansion contraction reading is still in expansion. However, we are in reversal here. So that means that this impulse is over. This move to the upside is over, and that's, pretty obvious, right? We're seeing a pullback here. So we want to be careful. We want to enter as close to the 27,500 breakout line as possible. But, let's be honest. I mean, you're very close to that right now. So between now and 27,500 is the entry area, typically. Again, not investment advice. You have to make your own decisions. Now, that being said, the golden pocket is down here by the 200 moving average. That is 26,737, right where this yellow line is. And also, the bottom of that area is 26,287, right about here. Now, usually, whenever you have a move higher from here to here, the retracement, the retracement would be the golden pocket. However, because we have a breakout point right here, and this is significant, price needs to hold above that 27,500 for this breakout to be valid. If not, then that's going to show weakness, and that would be a concern. You can see here, actually, price right now is pushing into that area right above that 27,500, and you can see that price is reacting a little bit. Let's move to a lower time frame, and you can see that price is reacting a little bit here. And we've already had a green closing candle here on the hour, so not a bad place to enter. Your risk reward is pretty well defined here. Looking on the 4-hour chart, again, your entry would be here, and your invalidation would be a few percent under that. Okay, so that being said, it's your decision. I'm not giving you advice, but typically, whenever you have a breakout like that, this would be your entry very close to that breakout line. Whenever price comes back to test and confirm that. So that being said, volatility is still quite low on the 4-hour. It's 7. So that's not going to change until we break out above that $28,000 level, because we have quite of a range here. And so that being said, taking a look at Ethereum real quick. We'll do Ethereum as well. Okay, so Ethereum currently is at 1,656. You can see Ethereum right now in the 4-hour is testing that 200 moving average. 200 moving average would be the place of entry. Yeah, I would say that's going to be your period of entry from this huge wedge formation. If you break below that, then that's going to be bearish. So I think price probably would hold here, that 200 moving average. If not, then you are looking at 1585, which is the breakout point here. We do have a trend line at about right here, which is going to be 1600. 1600 is your trend line support. So if it breaks 200, then I would say you're looking at the golden pocket right below it. Golden pocket is from 1657 to 1633 on Ethereum, and that's pretty much where you're at now. So that would be your point of entry. Ethereum is showing a point of entry right now. If you believe that price is going higher, if you believe that the market's going higher, Bitcoin's going higher, and which there's a very real possibility that that's going to occur. So Ethereum showing an opportunity of a golden pocket entry above the breakout, and also Bitcoin is testing that breakout point. So Bitcoin is uh, showing the opportunity for an entry as well. Now, Ethereum is, let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So again, the golden pocket and the 200 moving average both lining up very well for Ethereum. So I'm saying this is your I'm going to say this is your opportunity for entry. And then of course your validation would be down here, or actually down here, the break of that $1,600 level. Okay, that's your uh, invalidation stop out area in my opinion. Now you may want to manage your trade a little bit different. RSI is 41 below the 50 midline, so it's showing some weakness, and it looks like it wants to test the bottom of that, yeah, the bottom of that bullish golden pocket zone. DMA is bearish because we do have a correction and a S1 signal, and the EMA trend is still bullish because we still are in this green cloud. However, coming down, we're piercing that 30-day moving average, so we have to be careful here. If we break that 200 moving average, if we break down and then bump our head on it on the way back up, then that's going to be a problem. We're in expansion and there is no reversal yet. Price is showing a lot of volatility here, so be careful. Anyway, that is the market. That is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so I just wanted to put both of those market updates out there for you. But yeah, price 27,500 right now for Bitcoin. So this is going to be your entry right here. This is your entry opportunity. I'm actually thinking about entering the market right here, but we will have to wait and see. Like I said, clear validation not far from this point would be down here below your trend line. Again, if price does come back into this zone, then the golden pocket right here, the 200 moving average, which is going to be 200 moving average 26,787 right here, and your golden pocket 26,290. So between the 200 moving average and the golden pocket 26,290, that would be an area of interest if we break down into that area for an entry. So if we break this breakout line where it is now 27,500, then the golden pocket would be my next choice of entry by this support line. There you have it, friends. I don't want to make the video too long. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing very well. And I hope you didn't chase this. I hope you didn't get destroyed from the pullback. So this is why I always say never chase these. You always want to make sure that they, on a pullback, that you enter your position and that they come to you. Let the price come to you. Anyway, thanks friends. Please click like if you liked the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like this information, and please share it with others because it helps the channel grow. Thank you for your time. We will see you next time. Be safe.